You heard often enough about vitamins and that they have a positive effect on our body. But what exactly are the connections between vitamins and physical performance or muscle growth? In today's video, I will present you the top 5 vitamins important for muscle growth, while one of them is especially important. Can you already guess which one it is? Almost all vitamins need to be taken up via food or supplements, so the body cannot produce them by itself. So remember these 5 vitamins next time you check the nutrition scale. You might heard of vitamin B12 or cobalamin deficiency from vegan athletes, as vitamin B12 is exclusively available in animal-derived products such as different kinds of fish, meat, eggs or milk. B12 is extremely important for the nervous system, therefore for the motor neural system and the proper function and coordination of the muscles. It is also involved in the formation of red blood cells, which are important for the oxygen supply of the muscle fibers. And obviously, the more vitamin B12 is available, the easier and smoother the production of the erythrocytes happens. Vegan sportsmen must therefore take B12 supplements, otherwise they can suffer neurological difficulties such as depression, for example, or also anemia or fatigue. Additionally, B12 is involved in the synthesis of proteins and nucleic acids. The fat-soluble vitamin A has a huge impact on the functioning of our skin, immune system and particularly our eyes. But it also has a special role in regards to sports. It's found in many fruits like apricots, peaches and melons, and also vegetables such as broccoli, paprika and carrots. Fish, meat and eggs will also provide you with higher dosages of provitamin A, which is converted in our body into active vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in the protein metabolism, more specifically in the breakdown of proteins, which allows a faster repair of damaged muscle fibers and therefore a faster regeneration. Much protein synthesis or protein-rich nutrition comes in line with vitamin A deficiency, and that's why many bodybuilders suffer under a clear lack of vitamin A. Retinol is directly involved in the synthesis of testosterone, and we all know about the positive effects high testosterone levels have on our body. Everybody knows about the positive effects of vitamin C, and it's clear that vitamin C is important. But how important is it for physical performance? Vitamin C is an antioxidant. That means it reduces the oxidative damage by free radicals produced by various anabolic and catabolic pathways as a byproduct. And vitamin E, by the way, has similar antioxidative properties. Therefore, it is required for a proper function of our tissue as well as its repair. Also, vitamin C is directly involved in the formation of collagen. Our hair, tendons, ligaments, etc. consist out of a considerable amount of the protein collagen. Therefore, a continuous supply from, for example, citrus fruits or vegetables is very important. Vitamin C also reduces cortisol levels, which reduce the physical performance and muscle growth. But its main function is definitely to provide a healthy growth and development of the muscles. Interestingly, long-term studies revealed that it's also responsible in retaining muscle mass in later life, and olders who ate vitamin C regularly had generally a higher skeletal muscle mass. Vitamin B9 is key for muscle growth and found in vegetables such as spinach, asparagus, and also in very high dosages in avocados. It exists in a natural form called folate and a synthetic one called folic acid, whereas a later one is taken up differently and generally worse from body to body. B9 is part of the so-called detox vitamins and important for proper cell function and development. Important is its effect in DNA synthesis, therefore cell division and growth. Vitamin B9 and vitamin B12 work together as a cofactor in the energy production machinery as well. And additionally, it helps in the completion of red blood cells. People with a B9 deficiency often suffer under depression muscle fatigue, and poor cell repair and therefore growth. So make sure to keep your B9 levels high at all times. Finally, the maybe most important vitamin concerning muscle growth and physical performance, vitamin D. From all the vitamins, it is, of course depending where you live on this planet, the easiest to get. That is to say, from the sun. But you can also uptake smaller amounts of vitamin D from animal-derived products. The sun emits energy in form of radiation, which enables a transformation of skin-anchored cholesterol into provitamin D, which in turn can be transformed into active vitamin D. Vitamin D has many beneficial effects for the hormone and immune system, and foremostly it is important for supplying the bones and muscles with calcium. This is particularly important because contractions depend on calcium levels, and strong bones are always filled with great amounts of calcium. Vitamin D is also said to reduce body fat and to increase testosterone levels, as many studies confirm. Finally, it's important to say that too high vitamin levels can be very dangerous as well, so take care not to jump over the maximal recommended intake on the long term. Depending which vitamin you overdose, you can experience severe headaches, hair loss, an abnormal heart rate, frequent urination, etc. So keep that in mind as well. I hope this video was helpful, and if yes, don't forget to click on the subscribe button for further videos. Take care and see you next time.